Azaria Khairunisa. I'm 15 years old. I'm a student from 4 Pakam Junior High School, Yogyakarta. I want to tell you about Robot League. Robot League is a rowing robot that I made. This robot can make rowing movements like a rowing athlete. This robot utilizes the conversion of rotational motion from motor servo into linear motion as a rowing motion. Robot League can also speed up the pedal movement based on sensor. All components of this robot use UKIT Advanced from UPTech. These are steps how to I play the robot that I made. Number 1. Turn on the robot by turning to switch to on. Number 2. Open the UKIT program and connect the main controller and running code. Number 3. This robot can perform rowing movement by using a quick sensor as a trigger. Number 4. If the sensor button is clicked, the pedals will move and the wheels will also spin. Number 5. And if the sensor button is clicked twice, the pedals and wheels will move faster. Number 6. And when the sensor button is pressed for a long time, the movement of the pedals and wheels will stop. I also add several parts for aesthetic and functionality of the robot, like this wheel. Why did I add wheels to this robot? Because the UKIT Advanced robot cannot be used in water. I add this wheel to interpretation the motion of the pedals. I also add LED, speakers, and adapt. I made this Robot League because I rarely see pedal-shaped robot. Sometimes ago, there was also viral rowing content in TikTok. This is also what inspired me to make a rowing robot, and there it is. Robot League, rowing, wheels, LED, click. Therefore, I'm very interested and challenged to make it. During the process of making this robot project, it's hard to converting rotational motion into linear motion for the pedals. And finally, I found a mechanical foam like this using several components from UKIT Advanced. I divided this robot into several parts during the construction process. Number 1. Robot rowing section. Number 2. Robot boot parts. Number 3. Wheels part for the implementation of rowing movement. And number 4. The duck part. Now, I want to tell you about code this robot. Number 1. The main code will repeat anytime. Number 2. There are 3 conditions in the code created. In each condition 3 are several commands to move and control other component of the robot. Number 3. At the first condition, if the button sensor is click 1, the speaker will sound and the rowing robot will move. Number 4. And at the second condition, if the button sensor is click twice, the robot will move faster. Number 5. At the last condition is if the button sensor is click for a long time, then the robot will stop. This robotic project success made a rowing robot from the conversion of rotational motion from servo motor into linear motion like a pedal, and it can adjust the speed of the pedal movement. I hope in the future there will be a rowing robot more perfect. That's all from me. Thank you. Give thumbs up.